Hey guys, King Savage TV here, and today I'll be showing you how to fix your slime. So I got my slime here. It's in this Daisy White shower cream. It's right here. It's pretty sticky as you can see. Look, this is sticky because it sticks on you. I don't really like it, but the only ingredient you need is shaving cream dye. I'm gonna put it in a bowl. Shake it, and then you're like pour. And you can get this. That's it. You're gonna have to use your hands. Oh, it's gonna be like disgusting. It's gonna be like disgusting at first. But it's fun. And you can get lotion to make it stretchy. ASMR time. Would be like show I don't know guys, let me move you to a different like this guys. Make sure it's clean. And yeah guys, this is the end of the video. This is a how to fix your slime video / playing with slime. Oh yeah. So yeah guys, put with slime right here. So yeah guys, we'll see you in the next one. Oh my gosh, I hate when that happens. I can't do it right. But I love you guys. Mwah.